Hi babes, so pardon me looking like poop. We are jumping in the car because they're doing fireworks tonight and we are gonna go see them apparently in Alaska, which this actually makes sense. So in the summer there is no like nighttime, basically it's like light 24/7. So 4th of July and all that, when you would normally get fireworks, they don't do them. So they're going to do them tonight, and they do them as like a holiday winter spectacular cute thing. So I'm super excited. We're gonna like run over there and I will show them to you guys.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. My friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can't.
Okay, that was literally so cute and wholesome. You can't hear it in the video, but the kids that were out were so stinking cute. They were literally just climbing on top of these big piles of snow to get a better view, but it was so cute. That show was like super long, actually, way longer than we thought it was gonna be, and it was super fun, so that was really cute. Sorry, you can hear my dogs fussing because they wanna come out and play. I think we are going to make some dinner, maybe cook, I don't know, actually. Maybe we'll bake some cookies because we're gonna go out and see if the northern lights are out at night. Tonight, hopefully they're out, and we're gonna go see if we can see the Aurora lights. And I think that'll be super duper fun. We are trying to get really nice photos of the Aurora lights. So yeah, that's probably what we're gonna end up doing. Getting the puppies. It's gonna be so much fun. But yeah, that was so cute and wholesome. It just like warmed my heart, honestly. All right, y'all, we are about to make some almond sugar cookies. We're gonna use this super moist French vanilla cake mix. Gonna need 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of a neutral oil, and then pure vanilla extract and almond extract. And then I'm gonna add some toasted slivered almonds, and I might make an icing for them. Just depends, but I don't know, I just wanna be like cute and Christmassy and bake stuff, you know? Come here. Okay, why? Who asked for that shot?
You did.
This man said he's Steven Spielberg. Okay, film it, baby. All right. You put the, you wouldn't know. Never mind. Let me not ask you shit. This video is going to make Amber violent. Sorry, Amber. I never learned how to bake. I never paid attention. I think you put the dry and then the wet in.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think it's dry first. Okay. Okay, cake mix.
A weird way to open the bag.
You shut up right now. You shut your filthy whore.
I hope this is voiceover.
So you want me to leave the audio?
Yeah.
Dang, I will too. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Okay, anyway. All right. 1/3 cup of you. Ooh. That was very aesthetic. The oven's ready. Okay. I think it's at a teaspoon, not a tablespoon of this. You're on my phone, so I can't check the recipe. Nah, a tablespoon's way too much. Way too much. I know that. Ooh. Whoopsie. My bad. It's gonna be real vanilla-y, honey. Okay. Should I do like a half a teaspoon?
Half a teaspoon.
Of the almond? You think it's too strong?
Yeah.
Do you think a half a teaspoon is gonna be too strong? Shoot, we gonna find out. Ooh. I don't know, like, she is not top chef.
I just feel like these cookies are gonna come out looking like sloths.
No, they're. Yo, don't be talking about my cookies because when they come out and they smell good and they look good, you best not ask for none. Since you want to talk smack, these cookies are for me and my subscribers only. Your cookies gonna have eggshells in them. Ours aren't.
Your eggs always have eggshells in it.
That was on me. I'm like a baker or whatever, so with like a bottle of Tito's in the fridge. The like Betty Crocker sponsor. Or Tito's. I don't discriminate. Okay, gotta lock this. Ooh, whip it real good. Okay, sorry. I'll leave. Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks like ice cream.
You look like ice cream. Don't insult my cookies like that. I heard you're supposed to grease it, so I'm gonna spray it with Pam.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. So they don't stick? Because those cookies look kind of sticky, bro.
There it is.
I feel a little oomph on it. All right, y'all. If these cookies don't come out right, let me tell you one thing. I don't want to hear it. If they're not the most aesthetically pleasing cookies you've ever seen, let me tell you, I don't want to hear it. I don't care. They're gonna smack. Ooh, they smell really good, don't they? Yeah. They smell good. Okay. Ooh, that was like a good little dollop, right?
Yeah.
Shape her up a bit, help her out. Ooh, shit, she kind of bouncy. She's a little buoyant. Okay, boom. These are the most unsymmetrical, unbalanced cookies I've ever, like, girl, if you don't leave Miss Crocker alone. Ooh, Betty, I'm so sorry. She's so sick of me. She like, get her out of my kitchen. Ugh. We just gonna add to them. Maybe they'll be really big like the cookies we would get at like Crumble.
Yeah.
Because I heard that they use cake mix in their cookies.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. But theirs like form into a ball. I don't know. Maybe I like overbeat mine. Me trying to rebrand as like a cooking lifestyle channel. Also me chaotically making cookies. I don't care every 10 seconds as the cookies look more and more deranged.
You're good at cooking, just not baking.
First of all, thank you. Second of all, don't be saying facts like that.
That's enough, baby. We're getting pretty big.
What, you don't like thick cookies?
I think it's gonna be like the whole fucking sheet instead of just one individual cookie.
They gonna be alright. Don't talk about them like that. And so what if they want to be the whole sheet? Maybe they want to be thickums, thickums, dickums. I don't know. Don't talk about my cookies like that. Don't zoom in on them. You know they look bad. Do not be trying to zoom in on them. This is not the cooking channel. This is not Food Network. Don't zoom on my cookies like that. They look fine. You're so rude. Yo, I need a new production assistant. You are rude. Go zoom in on them, make them look extra lumpy. All right, y'all, we'll be back after they bake. It's fine. Okay, guys, so we let them bake for like a little bit of extra time, but they look done and they do not look crazy. They just look thick or whatever. Ooh, yeah. See, they got a little too dark.
Oh, wow.
We could have took them out a little earlier. We're gonna let them cool. Oh, but while they're doing that, this is what I'm using for the almond slices. I'm not making a batter just because I genuinely think it would be like too much. Not a batter, sorry, like a frosting. Oh, I should have baked these into it. Probably. Whatever, just hold it on your cookie. Okay. This one looks perfect, so I'm gonna try it. Oh, shoot, okay. Oh, we def should have baked these into it. But I mean, you can stick them in.
That looks really good.
Look, they're little
the
hairy.
lighting makes it look really white.
Is it fine now?
No, you're fine now.
Okay, let's get a like cookie cross. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Yo, my cookies look good. Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Cookie?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let me get one then real quick.
Here.
Oh, wow. It was nice and good.
It's good, huh?
I want some milk with this now.
Get your milk, babe. So basically what we learned today, this lighting is like really bad in this house. Jesus Christ. Okay. Cookie smack. That's like really good. You should definitely make these cookies. We ended up baking them for a total of what, 15 minutes? Yeah, so we ended up baking for 15 minutes. I would probably have done like 13 or 14 just so they don't get so brown, but these are like really.
Really good. My cookie.
Oh, my cookie first. That was so good. Bro, Ellie is dead. Percy, that's your best friend. That's why you over here in prison. Don't be looking away like that. That's why you in jail. Look what you did to her, bro. Ain't got no remorse. Look at her. Where I'ma find you another one of her? Look, you stole her whole squeaker. Looking like a hardened criminal. That's right. Look at you, Stormy. I know you helped. I know she helped. You both going down for this one. All right, y'all, it's time to go try and find the Northern Lights. The dogs are in their crate because we don't let them stay in their playroom with just the like baby gate up when we leave, because they definitely can knock that baby gate over if they feel like it. So we put them in their crates, but Percy killed his favorite toy. So if anybody knows where I can get him another really cute elephant toy, let me know, because that was his favorite toy. And he literally gutted her and was like chewing on the freaking squeaker. So yeah, let me know. But we're gonna go Aurora chasing.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go.
Okay, guys, we just got home. Unfortunately, the lights were not out at all tonight, so we didn't get to see them, but we will take you guys each time that we go out and look so that you guys can also see them with us together. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. Honestly, we're probably, what is it, like almost 10 o'clock. We're just gonna go inside and like watch TV and chill. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye.